Hello, good morning, students. Today we're going to learn about area and perimeter. Are you ready? So let us start. Let's start about the area. Area it talks about how big a size is, how big the shape that you make, and we can measure using the unit grid. If you have a paper of a grid unit, then we can draw any kinds of shape that you want to draw, and we can measure the area by counting up how many unit square are inside that shape. But the perimeter is talks about how long do you need to make the border of the shape, or we can say that perimeter is a distance between the border or a line of the shape itself. To make you more understand, let's take a look to the example here. I have a unit grid in here, where we know that 1 square is equals to 1 times 1 unit square. And then I would like to draw a square inside of this. To find the area of this square, you can just count how many little squares are covered up whole the surface of this shape. Let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the area of the shape is 30 units square. Once again, so the area is how many units square can cover up the surface of this shape by counting up how many are there. But in the other way, we can find the area by multiplying the first side with the other side. We know how to determine the length of this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in here we have 5 units. That is the length of this side. If this side is 5 units, so the opposite side will be have the same units also as its length. 5 units and 5 units. And then let's count what is the length of the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one is 6 units. It means if this side is 6 units, so the opposite side, the opposite side will be 6 units also. Right? So to find the area of the shape, you can just multiply 5 sides by the other side, which is 6 units, equals to 30 units. That is the understanding of the area. Now, let's continue with the understanding of the perimeter. So, we come up with this page that I will explain to you about the perimeter. As I have mentioned before, that the perimeter is talks about how long or what is the distance do you need to make the border of the shape. So, to find the perimeter, of course, you have to add the length of each side of this shape as an example. For example, in here we know that the length from here to here is need 5 units. If this side is 5 units, so the opposite side will be 5 units also. Because both lines are parallel and congruent. And then the other side from here, okay, we have 6 units. It means that the opposite or the opposite of this side will be 6 units also. So to find the perimeter, you just add 6 add by 6, add by 5, add by 5. Then you can simplify this calculation by multiply 2 by 6 and then add by 2 multiplied by 5. So you have 12 add by 10 equals to 22 unit. So that's it. It's easy, right? How to differentiate the meaning of area and the perimeter. Please don't get mixed. You can just replay this video to make you more understand and to make you realize, okay, the difference between the area and the perimeter. So I think that's all for today. My explanation on the area and the perimeter. This explanation is the basic foundation for you to learn deeper on the area and the perimeter for different shape, because different shape will lead you to the different concept of area and the perimeter, especially the area. Thank you so much before for your attention. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.